You guys, there's a helicopter outside, but I can't see it. Maybe you guys can. Oh, there it is. You see him? Just thought this is something that you guys might like. It's HealthNet. They're flying a dead guy across the border, even though they know that he's already dead. See, HealthNet, what we can do is as they will. Okay, well, speaking of helicopters, the other day, I got freaking window blasted by a helicopter, and if you don't know, if you don't know what I mean by window blasted, I mean, the wind, it was flying so low, it was a Black Hawk, like, I'm not talking like a military Black Hawk. That thing was flying low. And I know a ton of people in the comments are going to be like, oh, just because it's a helicopter doesn't mean it's a Black Hawk. No, I know it was a Black Hawk. It was a Black Hawk. Like, that thing, it's just hard to explain, but it was a Black Hawk. I can just tell you that right now. I know what one looks like. I've seen one in real life. And then, okay, just go watch Black Hawk Down. You'll see what the helicopter looked like. And I mean, that thing was pitch black. It wasn't a police helicopter, no freaking army. Guns hanging off the side of it. People manned at those guns. And they were just flying their way through like a la-di-da. Car. Oh man. Well, I'm gonna end that video here. Bye.